I asked their founder, like, who's the smartest person we can hire to help us at Scale Out Clay? And voila, he referred me to you. So that was a really good referral. So I'm Kris Rudeegraap. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Sendoso. Sendoso is a direct mail and gifting platform helping mostly B2B companies build pipeline, drive revenue, retain customers by sending stuff. Before that, spent about a decade in software sales myself. So grew up in sales, then started a company selling kind of sales tech, MarTech. For scale, we've raised about 150 million in funding, tens of thousands of users and customers, hundreds of millions spent through our platform. We've seen a lot and we've enabled a lot of teams in terms of how they go to market. I stumbled across Clay in some LinkedIn posts and I became obsessed with Clay as I really saw how the automations of Clay really played out. And so I met with the founder of Clay. I like meeting with founders, and then joined the user group for Clay. And then I asked their founder, like, who's the smartest person we can hire to help us at Sendoso Scale Out Clay? And voila, he referred me to you. So that was a really good referral from the humans were the breaking point, which was where we needed to come up with what was our future strategy for outbounding, reliance on infinite humans at a really high cost, low efficiency. And that's where Clay came in. And that's really where we started to map out what this perfect world looked like with Jacob and team. So first it was kind of change management, educating the teams on what's possible. Then it was prioritizing what were the plays or Clay tables we wanted to run first. And then there was a bit of working with Jacob and team on some of our ICP. And then it was really up to Jacob and team to do everything else, which was the contact and data enrichment, the signals, the data syncs, workflows, all of that was done through them. And our team now focuses more on the warm replies and managing the inbox, the warm intent signals and reaching out to the warmest of prospects in a timely manner. Everyone needs pipeline. It's harder than ever to get meetings, harder than ever to book deals and revenue. Whether you need to augment AEs who are now more than ever having to do outbound and build their own pipeline, which can be augmented through Clay, or whether you're looking at, do we need to backfill these two SDRs that are underperformers, or should we just bring on Sculpted and leverage them in Clay? I think there's a future where there's a more focus on kind of this, I think it's under growth, but it's more of a savvy, more technical, more automation focused minded marketer or sales ops or operations person who's going to be able to help do a bit more than your basic writing of emails or copying and pasting data. And I think some orgs are not set up for that. I think also it creates a great opportunity for an agency like Sculpted to come in and fill that gap and be able to come in, do a lot more of the technical or a lot more of the onus on using the newest tools and the newest technology so that the rest of the team can focus on what they know best, which is maybe the ICP, maybe it's the broader campaign marketing, or maybe it's the sales process itself. So I think use the right tool for the right job when you can. A lot of times bringing in agencies is the best solve for that.